Royal Lodge at 16:30, so that's 4:30 in the afternoon, and it's on November 11 to 15.
How much will it cost?
It will cost 59,127.
Okay, I wonder what are the places I'll be visiting?
I recommend you to go to Boracay, which is known to be the famous destination during summer. Palawan, where one of the 7 wonders of the world is located, and in Sumilon Island, in Cebu, where you can find fascinating sceneries.
Okay, I want to avail.
Okay. So here's your flight details. You will be flying at KLM Royal Lodge Airlines, and for each destination in the Philippines, you will be flying with Cebu Pacific, and from Cebu, you will be flying with Cathay Pacific.